Hi everyone, welcoming you all to Avenues with me Sharon S. Mondija, and now we're looking at the month of September and what does it have in store for us. Now the month of September is a great month of change. It is like you start a new chapter in the month of September and you can hit the reset button because we have a lot of planetary changes, alignment. It's like a complete new alignment happening, and you have a strong influence of Saturn, Mercury and Mars, which is going to influence, the way you think, your thinking patterns, your processes and your decision makings. So the decisions that you make in the month of September will have an impact in the months to come. Okay, so watch out for that, stay focused for that, and let's see what all we can do now in the month of September. So I'm touching on the first zodiac sign, and that's for you, Aries. Now for you, Aries, okay, it's a month of fluctuation. Okay, so let's say we look at the first area, and that's for your careers. From a career perspective, your hard work, all the dedication that you have been putting forward, okay, it's now being recognized. Your seniors recognize your work, your growth, promotions, the leveling up, everything is happening and working in your favor in this month, and you do see the changes creeping in. You get good opportunities, you get good career advancements happening this month, especially towards the end of the month. You get some very good opportunities flowing in. So think about that and evaluate that as well. From a business perspective also, you do have new opportunities coming in. It does look like you do a lot more investments into your business this month. You make some changes this month, but do the changes only post the 15th of the month. Now this is a great month wherein you come in with a lot of new ideas. You have a lot of new thought processes. So think well, evaluate them and put that into your business and put that into your careers as well, especially towards the end of the month, and that will take you forward. I'm looking at the next aspect, and that's for your finances. Your finances do, it's very stable this month, but we do see some expenses happening. So it's like, you have been doing some savings and the investments. So it's like the income and the outflow is happening all together this month, and just need to keep a watch on that. You do have a lot of functions coming in, you have a lot of activities happening up, so you need to plan well for that. From a health perspective, it is very important, again, you keep a focus on, your thought process, on your anger, on your temperaments. It does look like, your anger starts shooting up suddenly, and that's very important for you to take care of this month. This then has an influence basically on your temperaments, and, has an influence on your stomach region. So you do see some, stomach issues happening, intestinal issues, okay, people having blood pressure, suddenly your pressure rises, and you even see an influence on the foot region. So just take care of that as well, and take, your medical advice as and when required. Go ahead with that. Now I said communication was important because communication as well will play an influence on your relationships as well. So I'm touching on the relationship bit. There is a lot of functions happening, there's responsibilities happening at home. There's like major events, family gatherings which are happening this month for you, and it is important for you to hold on to your communication so that you do not impact any of your relationships this month. And if you have any major, plannings to do, especially around the family decisions or major family decisions, I would say do that post the 15th of the month, okay, and do it with a lot more calm, with a good positive mindset, and take the advice of your family and friends as well. And yes, it does look like your siblings too are coming forward and you get great support. So go ahead and think about that and make your decisions very wisely this month. As a remedy for you this month, like I said, it's important to be calm, do a lot more prayer and meditation. And yes, you can even try, playing some nice religious music at home. Play some religious hymns, some religious psalms to calm down the environment and keep yourself calm as well. It's also important that this month that you do some donations around some food. Probably distribute some food to the poor needy people. You just have some functions coming up, so you can include that as well. I do hope that this is helpful for you. Do share with me, share your comments and your feedback. It's very useful for me as well, and do tell me what you want to hear. Thank you so much for being a part of Avenues. I'm Sharon S. Mondija. Let's stay connected for so much more in store.